How to run a program that's already programmed in your Xiros Mikro. On the home screen, go to the Programs by pressing the Program button. Then choose one of the 4 programs you like to run. When you have selected a program, you'll see the program steps on the screen. Check them to make sure this is the program you like to run. Then tap Next Page and check these steps as well. When they are all correct, you can press Start. A safety screen will pop up pointing out a few things that are wise to double check and make sure your product will be dried the way you intended. Here are a few extra things you might also like to double check. Make sure you've placed all the trays on the shelves. Check if the drain valve is closed. Check if the door seal is clean, free from ice, and the door is properly closed. Also check if the door hinge can move in and out slightly. When the vacuum is created, the door should be able to move inwards. Check if the release valve on the vacuum pump is in the off position. You might even like to do a vacuum test to see if you have a proper vacuum. We have another video on that, see the link in the description.